Able. The able mana da qabil. For example, I am able to help. I am able to help. زه د کومک کولو قابل یم. Need. اړتیا. I need help. I need help. زه کومک ته اړتیا لرم. Wait. د wait معنا ده انتظار. For example, where were you yesterday? I was waiting for you. Where were you yesterday? I was waiting for you. پرون چرته وې ما ستا انتظار کولو. Yesterday ویل کېږي پرون ته. Where معنا ده چرته. Sick. د sick معنا ده بیمار یا ناروغه. For example, if you are really sick, you should go to the doctor. If you are really sick, you should go to the doctor. که ته ډېر ناروغه یې نو ډاکټر له لاړ شه. Love. د love معنا ده مینه. Have you ever loved in your life? Have you ever loved in your life? تا کله په ژوند کې مینه کړې ده. لایف ویل کېږي ژوند ته، زندګي ته. That. That معنا ده هغه. In that house there are 12 rooms. In that house there are 12 rooms. په هغه کور کې 12 کمرې دي. Drive. Drive معنا ده چلول. For example, I can drive a car. I can drive a car. زه ګاډی چلولی شم. Tired. د tired معنا ده ستړی. Ashraf is very tired. Ashraf is very tired. اشرف ډېر زیات ستړی دی. یعنې ډېر زیات ستړی شو. Really. د really معنا ده رښتیا. یعنې په رښتیا. For example, I really care. I really care. زه په رښتیا سره پروا کوم. Child. Child معنا ده ماشوم. For example, a happy child. A happy child. یو خوشحاله ماشوم. King. King معنا ده بچه، یعنی بچه ته ویل کېږي. For example, the king is wise. The king is wise. بچه هوښیار دی. After. د after معنا ده وروستو. For example, after lunch, sleep. After lunch, sleep. د غرمې ډوډۍ نه وروسته ویده شه. Different. Different معنا ده مختلف. For example, we are different. We are different. موږ مختلف یو. Fire. د fire معنا ده اور. For example, fire is hot. Fire is hot. اور ګرم دی. Short. د short معنا ده لنډه. For example, a short break. A short break. یوه لنډه دمه. Manner. د manner معنا ده خوی. For example, good manner. Good manner. ښه خوی. Family. خاندان. For example, my family is big. My family is big. زما خاندان غټ دی. big ویل کېږي غټ ته. Dead. Dead معنا ده مړ. For example, the bird is dead. The bird is dead. مرغۍ مړه ده. Returned. Returned. ستون شوی. For example, he returned home. He returned home. هغه کور ته ستون شو. Bring. د bring معنا ده راوړه. For example, bring water. Bring water. اوبه راوړه. Around. خواوشه. For example, look around. خواوشه وګوره. From. د from معنا ده نه. For example, from school. From school. د ښوونځي نه. Hard. د hard معنا ده سخت. For example, life is hard. Life is hard ژوند سخت دی. ask د ask معنا ده پوښتل. For example, ask a question. Ask a question. یو سوال وپوښته. sort د sort معنا ده ډول. For example, what sort is this? What sort is this? دا څه ډول دی. strong د strong معنا ده مضبوط. He is strong. He is strong. هغه مضبوط دی.